Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we re-comparing two of the hottest AI search engines of 2025, Perplexity AI and you. Both claim they can do what Google can't give you direct, AI-powered answers. But which one is better for beginners and everyday users? Let's find out. Perplexity AI feels like a mix between ChatGPT and Google. You type your question, and it gives you a conversational, human-like answer with clickable citations. Perfect for research or quick knowledge. On the other hand, is more like a customizable search hub. It not only answers your question, but also shows apps, summaries, shopping results, and even coding tools right on the search page. So essentially, Perplexity equals clarity and citations. Equals variety and integrations. I tested both with the same prompts. Prompt 1. Best eco-friendly habits in 2025. Perplexity gave me a concise summary with sources. Showed a breakdown, plus shopping links and articles. Prompt 2. Summarize the latest iPhone reviews. Perplexity delivered a clear, source summary. Gave me summaries, plus video reviews and purchase links. Prompt 3. Generate startup ideas in AI healthcare. Perplexity generated practical ideas with citations. Created a mix of AI-generated lists, blog links, and even business templates. Result: Perplexity is cleaner and more focused, while is more diverse but can feel cluttered. So, which one replaces Google better? If you want direct answers with trustable sources, Perplexity is the winner. If you want options, tools, and customization, might suit you better. Neither is a complete Google killer yet, but both are exciting steps toward the future of search. Which one would you trust more, Perplexity AI or you? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed this comparison, hit like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. See you in the next video.